MSM Group North America Incorporated, a subsidiary of the Prague-based Czechoslovak Group, has been awarded a landmark contract to design and construct a cutting-edge production line at the Iowa Army Ammunition Plant, IAAP. The contract, issued by the United States Army Contracting Command in Rock Island, Illinois, represents one of the largest foreign-led defense manufacturing initiatives in the U.S. in recent years. Valued at $636.2 million, the agreement, registered under contract number W519TC25C0032, offers built-in flexibility for adjustments depending on prevailing economic conditions, a measure that reflects the complex nature of large-scale defense manufacturing projects. MSM Group North America submitted the only electronic bid for the project, effectively securing the contract without competition, highlighting the company's technical credibility and alignment with U.S. Army requirements. The project entails the creation of a new 155mm artillery ammunition production line at IAAP, located in Middletown, Iowa. This facility will be capable of manufacturing, assembling, and packaging projectiles, providing a fully integrated production cycle from raw materials to finished ammunition ready for deployment. According to contract specifications, construction and commissioning are scheduled for completion by August 10, 2029, underscoring the long-term commitment to expanding domestic ammunition production capabilities. The Iowa Army Ammunition Plant, operated by American Ordnance LLC under a government contract, already serves as a critical hub for U.S. munitions production. The facility produces a wide range of ordnance, including 155mm artillery rounds, 120mm tank ammunition, and 60mm, 81mm, and 120mm mortar shells. In addition, IAAP manufactures warheads for multiple missile systems such as TOW-2, Hellfire, Javelin, Stinger, and Sidewinder missiles. Beyond these, the plant produces hand grenades, engineer charges, ceremonial rounds, and various test munitions, reflecting its diverse production portfolio. The expansion is part of a broader strategic initiative by the U.S. Department of Defense to bolster domestic ammunition output in response to evolving global security challenges. Increased demand for artillery and missile systems, accelerated by recent conflicts and heightened geopolitical tensions, has placed considerable pressure on the U.S. military to maintain sufficient stockpiles of key munitions. The addition of a new production line at IAAP aims to meet these requirements while enhancing the resilience and efficiency of U.S. munitions manufacturing. MSM Group North America brings extensive experience in industrial engineering and defense-related production systems. As a subsidiary of the Czechoslovak Group, a diversified holding company with operations across Europe, the firm has participated in multiple high-tech defense projects, including precision engineering and complex assembly systems. Their expertise in integrating automation and advanced production technologies is expected to play a central role in the new IAAP facility, enabling higher throughput, improved quality control, and reduced production bottlenecks. The significance of this contract extends beyond the immediate manufacturing capacity. By involving a foreign-owned yet U.S.-based subsidiary, the agreement demonstrates a growing trend of international collaboration in defense infrastructure while maintaining strict compliance with American security standards. This collaboration provides the U.S. Army with access to specialized engineering capabilities and technological innovations from Europe, without compromising operational control or national security protocols. IAAP's current operations are already extensive. The facility's production of 155mm artillery shells remains a cornerstone of U.S. Army logistics, supporting both active-duty units and reserves. Tank ammunition, including 120mm rounds, ensures readiness for armored brigades, while mortar shells in multiple calibers supply infantry and specialized artillery units. The inclusion of precision-guided warheads for missile systems underscores the facility's role in modern warfare, where accuracy, reliability, and rapid production cycles are paramount. American Ordnance LLC, which operates the plant, has been responsible for managing day-to-day production, workforce development, and compliance with environmental and safety regulations. The addition of MSM Group North America to the project introduces a new layer of engineering and construction oversight, with specialized teams tasked with designing the production line layout, installing machinery, and integrating advanced automation and quality assurance systems. This will not only expand capacity but also modernize existing operations, preparing IAAP for future demands in munitions manufacturing. The contract's value of $636.2 million reflects both the scale of construction and the complexity of the production systems being installed. Large-scale ammunition manufacturing involves numerous challenges, including precision engineering, handling of hazardous materials, integration of automated assembly lines, and strict adherence to safety protocols. Additionally, the facility must meet rigorous military standards for ammunition reliability and durability, which requires extensive testing and quality control procedures. The project also allows for economic adjustments, ensuring that the contract remains viable amid fluctuations in labor, materials, and other costs over the multi-year development period. Beyond meeting immediate production goals, the expansion at IAAP is expected to have broader economic and strategic benefits. The project will generate hundreds of skilled jobs in Iowa, ranging from engineers and technicians to construction specialists and logistics personnel. Local suppliers and service providers are also likely to benefit from increased demand, creating a ripple effect that extends into the regional economy. Strategically, the new production line strengthens U.S. munitions independence, reducing reliance on external suppliers and improving readiness in the event of prolonged conflicts or supply chain disruptions. The timeline for completion, set for August 2029, provides sufficient opportunity to implement state-of-the-art technologies, including automation, robotics, and advanced monitoring systems. Such technologies will optimize production efficiency, minimize human error, and ensure consistent ammunition quality. In addition, these improvements are expected to enhance worker safety and streamline maintenance, making IAAP a more resilient and adaptable manufacturing hub for decades to come. This development aligns with the Department of Defense's larger vision for the future of U.S. military logistics, emphasizing modernization, self-reliance, and strategic partnerships. By expanding IAAP's capabilities, the Army ensures that it can sustain high levels of artillery and missile production while simultaneously preparing for next-generation munitions requirements. Moreover, the project demonstrates the value of combining domestic oversight with international expertise, providing the military with cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities without compromising security or control. In conclusion, the contract awarded to MSM Group North America represents a significant investment in U.S. defense infrastructure, combining European engineering expertise with American operational oversight. The new 155mm production line at the Iowa Army Ammunition Plant will enhance the facility's manufacturing capacity, improve efficiency and quality, and contribute to broader strategic objectives in munitions readiness. As global security dynamics evolve and the demand for artillery and missile systems grows, the expansion of IAAP ensures that the United States will remain well prepared to meet both current and future defense requirements, reinforcing its position as a leader in modern military capabilities.